What are emergent properties in anatomy and physiology? Imagine building a house with bricks, wood, and nails. Alone, each piece has a simple purpose, but together they create something much bigger. That's similar to what happens in our bodies. In anatomy and physiology, emergent properties are new functions or traits that appear when smaller parts come together to form larger structures. These properties cannot be predicted just by looking at the individual parts alone. They show up at every level of biological organization. It all starts with atoms like carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. These tiny building blocks combine to make macromolecules such as proteins and lipids. For example, lipids can form cell membranes, which are essential for keeping the cell's environment separate from the outside world. This ability to form membranes is an emergent property because it arises from the way atoms bond and organize. Moving up, cells are made from these molecules. Cells can do things that molecules on their own cannot, like generate energy or communicate with each other. When many cells work together, they form tissues. Tissues have properties beyond those of individual cells. For instance, muscle tissue can contract and produce movement, a function that individual muscle cells cannot do alone. Next, tissues combine to create organs. Each organ has a specific role, like the stomach digesting food. The stomach contains different tissue types working together, which makes digestion possible. No single tissue can do this alone, so the organ's overall function is an emergent property. Organs then work as part of organ systems. These systems coordinate activities like pumping blood, breathing, or breaking down food. The entire organism depends on these complex interactions. The emergent properties at this level include the smooth coordination of multiple organs, which keeps us alive and healthy. In short, emergent properties show us that the whole body is more than just a collection of parts. They help explain how simple components come together to create the complex functions that keep us alive. Understanding these properties helps us see how our body operates at every level, from tiny molecules to the entire organism.